Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start the analysis, first of all, we have to talk about some important things and then we will get started. So, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification because you will find a lot of value for free in this video and in the coming videos on my channel. So, make sure you are connected, subscribe, and like. And then below the video, once you click, you will find some links. The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. This is mainly for newbies. So if you click on this link, you will come to this page here and then you can check out all the proofs. All this money was made by using a software, a robot on Forex trading method on automation. Okay. So in case if you're a newbie who do not want to learn all this complicated stuff of manual trading, then you can check out the first link and see if you can apply this and use this course to do the Forex automation using the expert advisor. Second link says order your custom technical analysis video. I have to talk about these two links. Okay. So on my channel, I will be doing the weekly analysis mainly on Saturday and Sunday because during the week, my schedule is busy. I will not be available on time. For example, mostly you need the analysis videos before the US market starts. Okay. So as per my time zone or as per my routine, I don't know if I will be available to upload videos before US market opens. Okay. So that's why I have decided to do the weekly analysis when the markets are closed on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Now, what does this mean? Order your custom technical analysis video. Let's click on this link first here and then I will explain. You need to know all this. Okay. Because I have some unique ideas in my mind which you will not find anywhere else on any other YouTube channel. Okay. If you're in the rush, you can always leave because I am not in the rush here because those people who give you 2 minutes analysis video, there's nothing wrong what they are doing, but you have to understand, use your common sense and logic. If you are talking about something financial, you cannot achieve everything in 2 minutes financially. Okay, so kindly understand that. So if somebody is doing 2 minutes analysis in their YouTube video, that basically means they only want to grab your attention and make you subscribe to their channel, join some paid Telegram group, or they just want to grow their audience. There's nothing wrong in what they do, but you have to understand, if you are here for technical analysis, it's gonna take time, man. Somebody who's doing the analysis, they need to be in calm mind. Okay, so if I have to do analysis, I have to be stress free and I have to take my own sweet time so that I can get into the details and do the analysis. So my point being is, if you are impatient, you want everything done in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, kindly just go and meditate and do something to yourself. Okay, if you are talking about real money, Forex trading is about making real money and about losing real money. When there is a real money involved, you have to be patient. There's no such thing in the world called make money fast. No, there's no such thing, make money fast. No, there's nothing fast. Okay. You only can lose money fast if you don't have patience. Okay. So if you come back below my video, why am I telling you all this? This is a one-time thing you need to know if you are new to new to my channel. Okay. So order your custom technical analysis video. What does it mean? It means that I will not be there to make videos on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday. If I have time, I will make those free videos. But if I don't have time, then I would probably only make videos on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So for example, if you want some analysis from me in particular, okay, if you want analysis from me in particular on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you will not see my videos. Okay. So the only idea I came up with, it's something which you can follow or which you may not follow. I don't know, but I have to give you the option. Okay. So the idea I have in my mind is, you can go for the paid analysis. Okay. So for example, I'm not available Monday to Friday, but if you want my analysis on Tuesday, you think you want to take this trade on Tuesday or Monday or Wednesday, or you need some assurance, surety, you need entry signal, you need exit signal for that particular pair, then I have two options for you. One says here, order full week analysis of your desired pair for $25. What does it mean? It means that you choose your pair and then I can make videos on that pair for that coming week. You will tell me the date. You want the analysis for Monday, Tuesday. You will tell me for the coming week or whatever. You will select the date, okay? And you will set you one pair. So one pair and analysis video for Monday, analysis video for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I will give you, or I will make that analysis video for you, especially who is going to order this. And I will send you those 5 videos one video each day, then you can go and take trades during the whole week for that one pair. Okay, so how does this work? For example, let's say you want analysis for Euro USD from Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday I will not come, I will be busy. Okay, but if you want paid analysis from me, then I'll make video or on Monday, Tuesday specifically for you, which will cover weekly analysis for one pair, and that will cost you $25. It's just a unique idea. You will not find anywhere else on the internet. Okay, it's just a unique idea I had in my mind. So yeah, this is how you go and do it. Order now. You click on order now. After that, let's say you only want one pair to be analyzed by me for the for the whole week, for the full week. That will cost you $25. Let's say you have two pairs. You said to your, okay, I have these two pairs in my mind. I want your analysis for these two pairs for 5 days, for Monday to Friday. Then you type in 2 here in the quantity, and that becomes $50. Okay, if you have 10 pairs in your mind, 10 pairs Monday to Friday everyday analysis, that becomes $250. Okay, that's up to you, right? So this is to make you understand what are the options, because I can't say this again and again. So I'm recording this, default video in which you will hear me saying this again. Now it says order 1 day analysis for your desired one pair, $10. Okay, what does it mean? It means that you have some pair in your mind. You have USD CAD, USDCHF, Euro USD, whatever pair you are working on right now. You need my analysis on that video. But if I am absent from Monday to Friday, absent means I don't have time to make free videos on Monday to Friday. I can only do that on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So if I'm not available to give you my free analysis, but you want, specifically you want my analysis on that particular pair, and you want only for 1 day, you set TubeCore, okay, tell me what's going to happen on Monday, tell me what's going to happen on Tuesday, or tell me just, you have specific pair and you only want 1 day analysis, okay, tell me what's going to happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever, okay. In that case, you choose your one pair and you choose your desired date, that for which date you want the analysis for, and then you click on order now here. Once you place the order, again the same thing. If you want to only have the analysis for one pair, choose quantity 1. If you want 2 pairs in your mind, 2 pairs for daily analysis, then 2, and that will become 20, whatever. Okay, now after you place order, you fill up all these details and then you click on pay now. After that, you simply have to email me your details. So you go below my video and you will find this email here, right? You see here. So in the email, you just go ahead and send your desired pair and the date for which you want the analysis, and that is after you have made the payment. Okay, if you need any help, if you have any questions, you can always email me and I'll get back to you, right? So far so good. Then it says send profits here. I have to explain all this at least for once before starting. Send profits here mean that, for example, you're watching my free analysis video. Okay, so you click on this link and come to this page. What does it say? It says send my profits here. Now I am not charging you any money for what I am doing. Okay, I'm not asking you to pay me like $1,000 for buying my course. I'm not selling you a $1,000 course right now. I'm not asking you to join some a paid membership in my Telegram where I will send you signals. So whatever I'm doing, that is totally free for now. Okay, but I have this option for those people to motivate them, because I am giving you all the knowledge, possibly whatever I have, for free for now. Okay, I can make this paid if I want to, but for now I think it's free. Okay, so what I'm expecting from people, just for testing purposes, or rather let's see how many people come back to me and say thank you. Okay, so let's see if somebody comes back to me and say, oh, okay, TubeCore, I saw your videos and I made profits after watching your analysis, and they come back to me and say, I'm happy to contribute, I'm happy to share my profits with you, because you helped me, your videos helped me to make this profits. Okay, so in case if you find my videos, my knowledge helpful, and you go live with that and you make profits with my knowledge, and then you can decide whatever amount you want to send from your profits. I'm not asking you to send me anything from your pocket. If you make money from my videos, from my knowledge, and if you have made profits, then you can always come to this link here which says send profits here. Come and click on buy now, and then enter your whatever amount you want to send, and that is something which will help you to understand how many people are actually going live on on this method. Okay, because most of the people, they don't go live, or if they go live, they lose money. Okay, I'm gonna see how many people make real money or real profits with my videos. Okay, I hope everything's clear. And the last link says check out best prof firm and forex traders and forex brokers. So come to this link here, and if you scroll down, you have the best prof firm in the world. What does it mean? It means that if you don't have your own money, if you want to trade with huge amounts such as 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, but if you don't have that kind of money, but you have the knowledge, you think you can pass the challenge, you can pass the test, then you can go and join the world's best prop firm. When I say best, it is the best, okay? No arguments here. So best means go and join the best prop firm, and if you can pass the test, then you will get the funded account and then start your trading journey. If you have your own money, then you can check out these brokers and then deposit the money to these brokers and then start your trading journey, okay? If you have any questions or talk to me one-to-one, check out you can drop me an email, okay? So I think this was very necessary for you to know that how, if you are going to connect with me for long term, you're going to watch my videos, use them to make money, whatever, okay? So you need to make sure what do I have in my head, okay? So you need to know the person whom you're gonna follow, right? So I think in last 10 minutes I've explained everything the way I think, because you will never find these kind of unique options on the internet from somebody else. If you were looking for a 2 minutes analysis, my friend, nobody is serious if they're giving you 2 minutes analysis, okay? If I make a 2 minutes video, I'm not serious about you. If you are only watching 2 minutes videos about analysis, that means you are not serious about yourself, okay? So somebody has to be, first of all, relaxed and in free mind before they do the analysis. I don't have to be in the rush. If I am rushing, if I am not paying attention to what I'm doing, then I will do it incorrectly probably, okay? So if I am in the rush, I will not be able to give you exact quality work, okay? If you are in the rush, that means you're not looking for quality either. So I hope everything is clear. Subscribe, check out these link, and again, join my free Telegram channel. This is absolutely free. If you want some free signals every now and then, go and join my Telegram channel. If you want to order your custom technical analysis video, check out this link. If you want to send your profits here, click here, and that comes when you have made profits with my videos, okay? Now, before we start the analysis, I have some couple of disclaimers. My videos are for education purposes only. I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. However, I know what I'm doing. So in case you make profits, go ahead and send my profit share after you have made your profits. Let's see how many people will do that. Okay, that's only for checking people if they have a real human heart or not, okay? And if you're a scalper or 15 minutes trader, then I don't give you any 5 minutes or 15 minutes entry signals, but you can use my long-term analysis, and then you can use it to enter your positions in your short time interval, okay? So I hope you found this information useful. Now let's go ahead and start the analysis. All right, USDCHF. So let's start the top-down approach, starting with the weekly. Now, in weekly, we have broken all the previous lows. Okay, so this low was broken by this red candle. Then we made another low here. This is our support level. So if I use my line, here's the line. If I make it here, this is our new support zone, you can say. And then from here, it took the rejection, and then it ended with the blue candle. Okay, so we got the rejection from the support level in weekly, and then we are going up in weekly chart. Okay, so the trend is still down. The overall trend is still down because we have made a new low. So this low was broken by this low in weekly. So this merely can be a pullback only in the coming days. Okay, but weekly means 5 days we have to wait. So let's narrow it down to daily now. Daily, here we have what? We have these candles, okay? So in daily, the previous low was broken, but it can easily be a pullback only, okay? So we might have a blue candle, going until here, and that could only be the pullback for this whole downtrend. So if you use your Fibonacci, where's my Fibonacci? It's not Fibonacci. Let me cancel all this. Delete. Where's my Fibonacci? Did I lose it? It's right here. So the move could be something like this, okay? So we might see another blue candle, which might touch until the 78% in daily chart, okay? So we have a chance to go up, and then we will have a red candle in the daily, and then we will continue the downtrend. That is scenario 1. Second scenario can be that we never get the red confirmation candle, and we will keep moving and cross this EMA in daily chart, confirming that the trend is over. Only the time will tell. So let's delete this, and again, so for now this previous high is broken in daily chart. So this is a new candle in the uptrend, you could say, slightly uptrend or a pullback rather. So this is a new candle in pullback, then again a red candle in pullback, and then we had a long week on Friday pushing it down, okay? So let's not get confused. let's narrow it down to 4-hour chart. That is why it's called top-down approach. Let me show you one thing. In weekly, we have a signal saying bear. You read the signal bear, okay? And in daily, we have no signal. In 4-hour, we have a signal saying bull, okay? This will be interesting. So in 4-hour chart, we have made or we have broken the previous high, okay? So this was the previous high, which was broken by this candle. And now we are taking a pullback and we are ready to go for long to make another high, okay? So what approach shall we follow here? Now, to me, either you will take a sell or you will take a buy, okay? When should you enter sell? The overall trend is down. Daily is down. You can see below the EMA. Price below EMA, daily is down. Weekly is down. 4-hour is up. So overall trend is down. Okay. So if you want, you are supposed to look for the sell opportunities if you're a swing trader, but when to enter sell. I think you can enter sell when a new red candle will close below this red candle. So this red candle closed at 82560 and current price is 8278. Okay, so if we have a new red candle which breaks this previous low, then that will be somewhere here, and then wait for the pullback in 4-hour and then go short, go for sell. Okay, now what happens if that doesn't happen? The other scenario is take buy position in short term. Okay, so let's say this was a pullback only and now it's going to push up, so you will see a blue candle. So if you see a new blue candle which will eat this red candle, engulfing blue candle I'm talking about, okay? Let's say when the market opens in the coming 8 hours, 12 hours, if you see a blue candle which will eat this red candle, then you should enter buy after that candle in 4-hour and take your position somewhere here. So if you want to take quick profits in buy trade, then your profit target should be 8330. Market right now is at 8278. When should you exit out of the trade if you enter buy? 8330. Okay, but confirmation will come in the 4-hour chart. If there will be a new red candle which will break this low, then look for sells only after the pullback. But if you see a blue candle which will eat this candle, then go for uptrend and then take your position buy and then exit at 8330. If you like what you see, subscribe, like. And if you want your custom analysis video with entry exit signals, then check out the links below and I'll see you in my next analysis. Take care.